Getting started with Dr. Explain. Part 10. Export to PDF and MS Word formats. Create custom documentation for printing and reading on any device. PDF documents are convenient for distribution. All the information is collected in one file, which is easy to send by email or messenger. You can view PDF files on almost any device, including smartphones. The information is presented in the form of familiar book pages, which is very convenient for printing. So let's look at the process of creating a PDF file with Dr. Explain in detail. Once again, you can create any project in Dr. Explain from scratch, or import existing documentation, for example from a Word file or from an old help file, and in just a few minutes create a new PDF file from it. This is a convenient way to convert old documentation to a new format, or update existing documentation. Since the PDF format offers a page layout familiar to us from childhood, we recommend turning on the content display mode for printing in the editor. This will allow you to see how your content fits into the sheet format. To see how your topic will look in a PDF file with headers, footers, and page numbers, use the PDF Preview tab. Dr. Explain will generate a PDF file for the selected topic only. You don't need to waste time exporting the entire project. Please note that in preview mode, page numbers start from figure 1, even if this is a topic from the middle or end of the project. The actual page number will be included in the final document. In the table of contents, the actual page numbers are also replaced with a NN token. On export, the NN token will be replaced with the actual page numbers, and all table of contents items will act as hyperlinks. In addition, if large images appear in the content of a topic, they will be automatically scaled to fit the width of the page. When you move the mouse cursor to the bottom of the page, you will see a pop-up panel from Adobe Acrobat Reader. Use it to control the scale of the display, as well as print or save a PDF file for the selected topic, directly from the preview mode. You can configure the parameters of the PDF document in the project settings, in the PDF export section. In the general settings for PDF export, you should pay attention to the page format. The default topic bookmarking feature allows you to create a table of contents for your document, in the form of a project tree. To set the size of page margins, and headers and footers, go to the PDF export settings section. And to set the content of the header and footer, use the corresponding nested sections of the settings. In the headers and footers of a PDF document, you can use special dynamic variables, the number of the current page, the title of the current topic, etc. When exporting, a value, corresponding to the specific exported page, will be substituted instead of the special variable. To start PDF export, click the button on the main toolbar, or use the Alt-Shift-D keyboard shortcut. In the dialog that appears, you can immediately start exporting. For the first export, you will be prompted to select a path to save the generated PDF file. For future exports, this path will be preserved, and you can specify whether to overwrite the file each time without confirmation. After the export is complete, Dr. Explain will open the generated PDF file, unless you have disabled this option before exporting. If you want to create a file with page layout, so you can work with it further in Microsoft Word, or another text editor, export it to RTF format. To do that, click the button on the main toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-Shift-R. The RTF export process is very similar to PDF export. In the RTF export settings, you can also set the text for the headers and footers and the page format. So in this video, you learned how to create a page-type PDF, or Microsoft Word compatible file from your project. Watch more videos on our channel to learn more about effective techniques for developing user documentation in Dr. Explain. And don't forget, you can install and start working with Dr. Explain absolutely free. The latest version of the program is always available at drexplain.com.